Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I'm Courtney. Kim's not here today because she's at the Philadelphia Zoo, so we have Superman. We have Batman. Sorry.
It's okay. I'm Jess.
And I'm Hope, and this week we'll be focusing on a species of animals that are just like us.
But not as pretty. I mean, they're primates.
We took a trip to the Philadelphia Zoo and focused on 4 different types of primates.
Here's what we found out. All of our animals have similar adaptations to each other. All primates have made changes to allow for them to climb trees. For example, gorillas and orangutans adapted their bodies by getting longer arms over the generations. Also, langurs and lemurs both made adaptations on their paws and feet to help them climb trees easier.
I wonder why this happens. Like, it's really weird.
I think it happens because they were all intertwined at one point. Like, there was one monkey, and over millions and millions of years, they adapted and they branched out, forming new types of monkeys. So, in one way or another, all monkeys are related.
That's just like humans.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Wow.
Not only are the monkeys themselves similar, but also the environments that they live in are very similar.
Like, they all have trees and bushes.
Yeah, like, they're all in different kind of rainforesty areas.
Yep.
Wow, that's really weird.
And now, back to Kim.
So I really love how the zoo was divided into sections based on order. And then within the order, they were based on family, and separate exhibits had the animals in the correct genus and species.
Same. I really like how they didn't mix up the animals and they put them in based on their class and everything. So it seems like they really put time into it.
Maybe they could mix animals in the same order, like different primates could interact in the same exhibit, just to make the zoo seem more like an actual environment.
That's really interesting. Seems like the zoo could use some improvements.
Yeah, but you have to give them some credit. They're doing a great job maintaining genetic diversity, even with a limited gene pool that they have to work with.
Did you guys know that there's a whole database called SSP that was created by the Lower Kingbatagan? I talked to a zookeeper and he explained the whole thing. Its purpose is to organize and list information about every registered zoo animal.
Yeah, and through the database, zoologists can plan what animals will reproduce. It helps to ensure that a diversity exists and the genes of species, so no problems or defects will occur.
Yeah, and the information also helps the zoo. For example, in a spectacled langurs exhibit, zookeepers used the database to make sure 4 different langurs were unrelated. Then the 3 females and 1 male were placed in an exhibit to ensure reproduction. The zoo also helps to conserve primates in the wild by holding annual fundraisers and accepting donations year-round.
They also keep maintenance of the living areas of each animal, and they in the past have also partnered with Pizza Hut to raise money for zoo costs to benefit wildlife conservation. No renovations have been made to the primate reserve recently, but it's rumored that there are plans for the future.
Ooh. So, from visiting the zoo, we definitely can say that there are advantages as well as disadvantages from placing animals in captivity.
When animals are placed in captivity, it is proven that they live longer. In the wild, animals are more prone to predators, sickness, and danger due to the destruction of their environment.
Also, placing animals in captivity allows them to be rehabilitated and then released back into the wild. Additionally, zoos help to protect endangered species and help scientists learn about the behavior of different species of animals.
I think the only disadvantage is that animals' behaviors can change when they're in captivity.
However, the zoo's practice of the method of enrichment, which helps animals remain wild and work to find food.
Yeah, I definitely think that the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, and some groups exist, such as CAPS and NCAP and Animal Aid, and they protest against placing animals in captivity, but I don't know, do you guys agree with that?
Well, it's known that animals benefit from being placed in captivity, and not only for their own health purposes, like there's other reasons to it.
Zoos offer communities and a wonderful, safe environment for fun and learning. It inspires people to be more compassionate towards animal and the environment. If you agree with us that a new zoo should be opened in Flemington, New Jersey, please email us at thebalcony@thebalcony.com.
Your voice means everything, and that could alter the lives of future generations.
Not to mention protect the lives of innocent animals.
Go online at www.thebalcony.com and click on the link to our homepage to see how you can help. I repeat, www.thebalcony.com.
It's really a good cause.
Thank you.